the rain with nowhere to run. When you're distraught and in pain without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved, but nobody comes, and you fall so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, it's okay. Won't you say yes? I can make it through the rain. I can stand it once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel free, I hold tight to my feet, and I live one more day, and I might get through the And if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in. You will arise safe and sound. So keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prevail. Once you say a shout grew loose, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face, and should they tell you you'll never pull through, don't hesitate. Stand tall and say yeah. Oh yes you can. You're gonna make it through the rain.